This video is going to go over a quick review of fractions. When we have a fraction, the top number is called the numerator, and it tells how many equal parts are being counted. The bottom number of the fraction is the denominator, and it tells how many equal parts there are in the whole or in the group. We can have fractions describing a set of objects or a group of objects. So in this first one, we have 2 out of 6 that are shaded. So our fraction would be 2/6. There's 2 that we're counting. We're counting the ones that are colored in, and there's 6 in the group. In the second picture, there are 5 in the group, and if we're counting the ones that are colored in, there are 4/5 shaded. 4 out of the 5 circles are colored in. Fractions can also describe parts of a whole, so you can have a whole object that's cut into equal parts. It's important with a fraction that the parts are equal. So if we're counting the amount that's shaded in this first rectangle, we have 1 part that's shaded, and there are 2 parts in our whole. So that would be 1/2. When the denominator or the bottom number is 2, we read that as half. The other rectangle has 3 parts that are shaded, and there are 4 equal parts total in that rectangle. So we would read that as 3/4. We read fractions a certain way. So here at the top we have 1/2. So when the denominator of the bottom number is a 2, those are halves. When the denominator is a 3, those are called thirds. When the denominator is a 4, they're fourths. When the denominator is a 5, they're fifths. And from here on out, you'll see the common pattern is that they will end in THS. That THS is typically a sign that you're dealing with something that's part of a whole.